that sort of ends what I'm going to tell you about the brain and visual function right now. It is a huge area of research. As you can imagine, it's really fundamental to the human system. As I said, somewhere around 30% of our cortex is devoted to this. We get insights from computation and understanding what the brain does, and sometimes we get insights from brain and neurophysiology to thinking about the computation. And it's one of the areas in which we get some direct connection between what you might think of as artificial intelligence and natural intelligence. It's one of the areas that we've pushed furthest on that. There's also work going on, for example, in computational modeling of hearing. Audition, right? So to understand what goes on in the human system versus artificial system. And in the other senses, things are just getting started. So haptics, how do you go from touch? I can touch an object and I can tell you about its shape. How do I do that? How can I tell that a texture, oh, that's probably the skin of an orange, right? It's a computational problem, and we'd like to get insight back and forth. So sensation in general, and on the robotic side of motor control, is trying to get a computational model of what goes on in the brain. All right, so that's really all I'm going to tell you about the brain. It is fascinating stuff, and even in the popular literature, there's a lot of information getting out there that I would deeply encourage you to go take a look, and I think you'll enjoy it.